So today we're going to be doing a really exciting video. I got my hands on the Fatally Yours 2 collab from Sarian and Melt, and I'm very excited. I'm so excited. The packaging is gorgeous. The whole like aesthetic is so pretty and perfect, and I love it so much. I got the first collab from Bailey and Melt and I loved it, so I had to get this one. I wish I would have got the clutch in the mirror, but you know, your girl was on a budget. The star of the show is this palette. So it looks like so. Look at it. That's the palette. It's gorgeous. It's literally gorgeous. I got the eyeshadow palette, the lipstick in Judith, and the Scarlet Ultra Matte Gel Liner. All right, let's jump into this, guys. I've been waiting for this for a while now. Oh my God. You guys already know this about me, but I love me some Bailey Sarian. Like, I could literally fall asleep to her voice, to her videos, and I love her whole entire aesthetic. Probably one of the most watched YouTubers ever for me. And I got the first collection when she collabed with Melt, and it was amazing. So I got the second one as well. I didn't get the clutch. I wanted it so bad, but alas, I also didn't get the mirror. I wanted the mirror as well, but I wanted the clutch so badly. But that's okay. I love Melt's packaging. Honestly, always. It's gorgeous. Oh my God. So I ordered all of this myself. I am not on a product list for Melt, although I would literally die if I was. Anyway, so we have some products here. Let me take them out of the box. Comes with this beautiful pamphlet. I don't know if you would call it a pamphlet or more just a, I don't know, but it's beautiful. If my background looks a little weird, I'm sorry. I'm trying something different right now, like lighting wise. I kind of feel like it might be a little bit more homey or inviting, not so super bright. I don't know. Let me know what you think about it in the description below. All right, so I'm going in with the Fatally Yours 2 palette. Look at that. Bailey. God, Bailey. Come on. Come on. All right, so we're gonna open this. Let me tell you, one of my favorite colors to play with on my face is literally this ox blood. It is, oh my God, look at it. Oh yeah, I'm keeping this as a bookmark just so everyone knows. Look how cute this picture is. Bailey, God, what the hell? Anyway, here is my palette. This is what it looks like. Look at how freaking gorgeous this is. I'm gonna go in with my eye primer first. P. Louise eye primer, one of my faves. We're gonna go in with this shade right here. It is Buff. I am loving this shade. Honestly, it might become my new everyday shade, if I'm being honest. I love cool toned grays, browns, pretty much anything that looks a little grungy. And if I could wear anything every day, it would be something like this just popped in my crease. Now I'm going to go in to the Smoke shade, which is this mid to dark gray right here. And we are going to pack this into our inner and outer corners. Kind of going for like a halo eye. All right. Then I'm just going to go in with that first color we went in with, Buff. And we're going to just blend out the halo corners once again with a little bit more of that lighter tone. Then we're going to go in with the lighter shade in this palette that is called Kitty. So this is Kitty right here. We're going to go in and very lightly trace it along underneath our brow. Yeah, that looks good. All right, then I'm going to go in with the Glisten, which is this silver shade. It's literally gorgeous. I'm going to go in with just the finger. We're going to tap this right on the center of our eye. So look forward. When you're looking forward, you're just going to put it right on the center and move it up onto the lid, just like that. So now from here, you can blend it out so it goes into the other colors as well. But you want that main focus to be right in the center. Then I'm going to go in with a fluffy brush and just blend that out a little bit. So now we're going to do the same thing, but on the lower portion of our eyelids. So we're going in with Buff first. We're going to deepen the corners out with Smoke. And then we're going to place Glisten right in the center underneath our lash line. Just like that. I'm very excited. This looks really good. We're going to jump into the Scarlet Gel Liner. I am so excited about this, guys. You have no idea. This was literally what drew me into this whole entire collab. All right, so it looks like this. And it is this dark, once again, blood shade burgundy. Love it so much. We are going to take that and go in and do our wing. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh my God. It's so pretty. Oh, I want to go in and do like a graphic liner with it, but I don't want to because I'm afraid it's going to ruin the look. Okay. Okay, so I am going to curl my lashes, put some falsies on. I'll be right back. Lashes on. I just put a half lash on to make it look a little fluttery. We're going to move on to lips. Now, I don't know how I'm going to make this work because I got Judith. And that is the concealer lip that I'm sure y'all had seen. Looks like this. And you guys are going to die when you see it. Look, I love the... Oh, that's so satisfying. Oh, okay. Look at this print. Look at that. Guys. That's insanely beautiful. So, we're going to go in with a cooler nude shade. This one is by NYX. This is the Nude Beige. So I don't know if this is going to still be too warm for this eye look, but we're going to try it. I do have the Half Magic, and it comes with the black liner. You know what? I'm going to just go ahead and put some of this on. Let's see how that works. Oh, I don't want to, but I have to. Ooh! Dude. Concealer lips to the most. I can't do it. I'm taking this lip off. So this is my MAC Stone. This lip isn't the best lip with this look, but watch what I do if I go in with just a little bit of Judith. It is the perfect blending shade if you want like just a little pop of lightness inside the middle of your lip. Look at that. Yeah, that's pretty. That's pretty. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and take that off and go in with just a gray lip. So this one that I'm gonna be going in with is Deep Rooted. This is like a very taupey gray. Let's do this one. This is by MAC, by the way. I don't know if you can still get it. I hope so, because it's one of my favorite gray lips. That looks very pleasing to the color story. And I love that. Love, love it. So here's the first option. So to match this liner, there is this Burgundy Shine from House Labs. This is one of my favorite lippies. Look at that match to this palette. I know you see it. This is very much, I'm actually almost out of this tube. It's running low, which is really sad. I love this color and I love how it keeps it shine. Although I will tell you one little tiny baby drawback. If you don't move your lips for a long time, they kind of stick together a little bit. But if you can get past that, it's gorgeous. Gorgeous. Okay. There we go. That is it for this look. By the way, I totally think I'm going to love the Judith color when I do my just normal nude luscious lips with like a bronzy eye. I think that's gonna be so pretty. I will definitely use it in a tutorial so you guys can see that. If you have a suggestion from Melt, I don't know, Melt, do you have a dark burgundy lipstick? I'm not sure. If not, you should literally come out with one. You should definitely come out with one. I 100% recommend these products from Melt. They are glorious and also beautiful. I want to save the outside of the packaging because it's just so pretty. This is why I should have got the clutch and the mirror, because I love the vibe. Anyway, that is it for this tutorial and review, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give it a like, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there to become part of the Glam Fam, and I will see you guys in the next video. I love y'all. Bye! Mwah.